Hello guys, to, today here I am with the first major update of Planix GNU Linux, which is Planix 1.1, codename MerCur Extended. I will be making a revision 2 to this whenever Linux 7.2.3 comes out, and then I'm just going to be copying the config. Here is the changelog. Here I have added sudo for once, inet utils, basically including hostname, MPC and ISL. These are dependencies for the GCC. I'll get to that in a second. Man DB, which is basically man. Here's an example for this man. So this is the manual, basically something like that. Here I have updated the GCC version to version 6.2.0, which is the latest version of GCC. Updated glibc to version 2.44, which is the latest version of glibc. Updated Linux kernel to version 7.1.10 MerCur X, because that. Updated now to version 9.2, which is I think you get the point. Enabled TTY2, TTY3, you get, and so on until TTY7. These are virtual terminals. You can switch between with option, or alt, function, and then F keys, which in my case it's, like for people it's actually alt F keys, not control alt F keys, by the way. No, I guess that right. Lock the root account, make it only accessible via sudo. You can see why I put the login with user Planix and password Planix. That's the new face here. And I created one more thing, which is created GCC tests directory, usr local bin tests. And here's the usage. Use cd into the directory, and then GCC, and use GCC to make a test, and to compile a test. Output is a test without the C extension and without the underscore, making it the usage like this: std.io_test.c, output is std.io_test, standard.io test. For now, the only test is the standard.io test. You can test your GCC if you want. Once for some reason, maybe you have to recompile GCC. This is a cool test. More tests are going to be coming soon. And so yeah, basically this is the only thing I wanted to show you. So basically, yeah, this is the release notes section in the website, and I'll see you in the next video.